One, as you can see, I've connected all the circuit into the board. This is button number 1, button number 2, button number 3, and button number 4, all connected to the ESP8266. And here I have my original DIY Hue, also connected to ESP8266. Now, button number 1 is to turn the circuit on. As you can see, button number 4 is to turn it off. Button number 2 is programmed to change the color to blue. Button number 3 is to turn it to purple. 4, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 1, number 4. Sometimes there's a slight delay because when the button press is completed, the ESP will go into a deep sleep mode. So it takes a while to wake up. Number 3. It's off. Number 2. It's off. That's it. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.